Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show where we speak slowly and clearly so you can feel relaxed and confident while listening. My name is Sarah, and I am very happy to be here today because we are talking about something we all do again and again in real life.
Hello, friends. My name is Ali, and I hope you are having a calm day wherever you are listening from, maybe at home or on the way somewhere. I feel good today because our topic is very practical and very useful for daily English.
Before we start the lesson, Ollie, let me ask you a simple question like people do in real conversations. How are you today, and did you go out anywhere this morning or did you stay at home?
That is a nice question, Sarah, because it helps us speak naturally and not like a book. I am feeling good today, and this morning I went out to buy a few things, which is perfect for our topic.
That sounds perfect, because today we are talking about going to the supermarket and shopping vocabulary. This topic is about shopping for food and daily items, and the supermarket is the big store where we buy these things.
Yes, when we say supermarket, we mean a large shop where you can buy fruits, vegetables, bread, drinks, and many other things in one place. Almost everyone goes to the supermarket, so these words are very important in daily life.
Before we continue, we want to say something friendly to you, because your support really helps us. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is also learning English.
Thank you so much for being part of our learning family, because learning together feels easier and more comfortable. Now let's imagine we are going to the supermarket together and talking in simple English.
First, before going to the supermarket, I usually make a shopping list, and a shopping list means writing the names of things I want to buy. This helps me remember what I need and saves time in the store.
I also make a shopping list, but sometimes I forget it at home, which is a very human problem. When I forget my list, I walk around the supermarket and buy things I do not really need.
When we arrive at the supermarket, we usually take a shopping cart or a basket. A shopping cart is the big trolley with wheels, and a basket is the small one you carry with your hands.
I prefer a shopping cart because it is easier when you buy many items, especially heavy things like bottles or bags of rice. The cart helps my arms relax while I shop.
Now let's talk about different parts of the supermarket, because this helps you find things easily. The fruit and vegetable section is where you buy apples, bananas, tomatoes, and onions.
Yes, and vegetables are things like potatoes, carrots, and spinach, while fruits are sweet things like oranges and grapes. I always try to choose fresh fruit, and fresh means new and good to eat.
After fruits and vegetables, I usually go to the bread section, where I buy bread, buns, or cakes. Bread is a very common food, and many people eat it every day.
I like the bakery section because it smells very good and makes me hungry. When something smells good, it makes shopping more difficult because I want to buy everything.
Then we have the dairy section, and dairy means food made from milk, like milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. These items are often kept cold in a fridge.
Yes, a fridge is a cold machine that keeps food fresh, and supermarkets have big fridges. I always check the price, and price means how much money something costs.
Checking the price is very important, especially when you have a budget, and budget means the money you plan to spend. If something is too expensive, I look for a cheaper option.
Cheaper means not very expensive, and this word is very useful when shopping. Sometimes there is a sale, which means the price is lower for a short time.
Sales make people very happy, and I feel excited when I see a big sale sign. I sometimes buy extra items just because they are on sale.
Now let's talk about paying at the supermarket, which is called checkout. The checkout is the place where you pay money for your shopping.
At the checkout, the cashier scans the items, and a cashier is the person who takes your money. You can pay with cash or card, and card means a bank card.
Sometimes the cashier asks, "Do you want a bag?" And this is a very common question. A bag is what you use to carry your shopping home.
After paying, I pack my groceries, and groceries means the food and items you buy at the supermarket. Packing means putting things into bags carefully.
Carrying groceries home can feel like exercise, especially if you buy a lot. I always say I am strong, but my arms say something different.
Now we want to ask you a simple question to help you practice English naturally. What do you usually buy at the supermarket, and do you make a shopping list before you go?
You can also tell us which part of the supermarket you like the most. Please write your answer in the comments, because writing helps you remember new words.
Before we finish, let's repeat some important shopping words in a natural way. Supermarket, shopping list, shopping cart, basket, price, and sale are very useful words.
Words like cashier, checkout, groceries, fresh, cheap, and expensive are also important for daily shopping conversations. You can use these words the next time you go to a store.
You are doing very well by listening and learning step by step, and you should feel proud of yourself. English becomes easier when you connect it to real life.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today and learning in a calm and friendly way. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we will see you again very soon.
Take care, enjoy your next shopping trip, and keep learning English every day. Ollie, bye-bye friends, and have a wonderful day ahead.